Supercomputer components arrive at the University of Florida for a new AI era. Imagine a supercomputer so powerful it transforms the future of AI.
For such informative videos about tech and soft tips, subscribe my YouTube channel ITFO.
The University of Florida just took a bold leap, unveiling HiPerGator AI 2.0 components. This new initiative is about to redefine technological boundaries in academia and beyond. For $24 million, UF acquired next-generation tech from NVIDIA, including 63 supercomputing nodes and 504 GPUs. These groundbreaking tools will enable revolutionary AI applications and provide unparalleled opportunities for researchers and students alike. According to Elias G. Elderi, UF's vice president, this setup is a massive leap forward. It's designed to attract top talent, empower cutting-edge research, and train students with state-of-the-art AI capabilities. This isn't just about a university, it's a global shift. With HiPerGator AI 2.0, UF invites professionals and institutions worldwide to join a future-focused AI research network, solving challenges across industries. The AI frontier is expanding fast. Don't miss your chance to contribute. Whether you are a researcher, industry professional, or student, explore new opportunities with HiPerGator AI 2.0. Engage today to redefine what's possible in AI research.